This is the 2024 Polestar 2 dual motor. This one has every option, including Plus, Pilot, ventilated Nappa Leather, and the 20-inch wheel upgrade. Alright, the EPA range on this is 266 miles. Starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. Your charger's right there too. Here's the trunk. And then under here, you have additional storage space. All right. Right over here is your charge ports. Moving on to the rear seats. Take a look at that interior, really nice. The rear seats also have seat heaters too, pretty neat. Cup holders. All right. Moving on to the front. Panoramic roof. Look at that design, really nice. Your wireless phone charger's there. Show you guys the cameras. All right. Harman Kardon audio. All right, you guys, there you have it. That's our 2024 Polestar 2 dual motor with every option.